Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to print Excel with comments. Like and subscribe, support the channel. Let's get started. So the comments have been created and the necessary information has been written in them. The comments themselves are aligned, the font is enlarged, the fill is changed. For more information about this, see here. And now our task is to print the comments. Go to the Page Layout tab and then click on this arrow in the Sheet Options section. The first way to print a comment is as it is displayed on the sheet. Select this option. By default, a comment appears only when the cursor is over the cell, and as you can see, such a comment cannot be printed. It's simply not visible on the sheet in the Print Preview window. To print it, the comment must always be visible. What are we doing? Click on the Review tab, and here by clicking on the Show Comment button, we can make one comment permanently visible or all at once. Now it returns to the Print Preview window and we see that all the comments are visible and we can print them. Another way to print comments is to print them at the end of the sheet. Go back to the Page Layout tab, click on the arrow and select At End of Sheet option. And now we look at the result, click Print Preview. On the first page we see a table, and on the second there are comments indicating the cells to which they belong. All that remains is to print it out. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.